Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to show you this app that pays instantly for free. It takes no money to get started making money online using this method of making money. This is going to be a worldwide method. It's going to be super duper easy. All you're going to have to do is read some emails, but there is going to be a little bit of a trick to it. At the end of the video, I will explain to you the common mistake that everybody seems to make as to why they're wondering why they're not getting emails and they're not getting paid. But if you don't stay to the end of this video, you are not going to know this trick. They don't really explain it with the app and the website that I'm about to show you. So if you don't stay till this video to the end of it, you will not know how to actually start generating some money and getting these emails coming in so that way you can make money online. Now guys, if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. It really helps immensely. So please make sure to just hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Each and every time that I post videos, I'm going to try really hard to get at least 5 videos out each and every week. So make sure to hit that bell icon. Also, if you're wondering how I make money online, how I'm making thousands of dollars each month online, I'm able to make a full-time income from the comforts of my home and work the hours that I want to work. Check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, this method of making money online is going to require an email. In order to get paid, you need to be able to open emails, and I recommend Gmail. I always use Gmail for my accounts, but there's also Yahoo, there's Outlook, there's MyMail, there's, like I said, the Outlook, there's Yandex, there's Proton Mail. There's a whole handful of things that you can use and make your email. I actually made a brand new email just for this video to show you exactly step-by-step how this method of making money works. And like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, this is a worldwide method. There are people making money in Brazil, in Venezuela, in the Philippines, all over the place. Those are just naming a few offhand that I remember seeing. But you're going to be able to use this method all over the world. And like I said in the beginning, all you have to do is open emails. Got to stay till the end to understand how to get these emails coming in once you get going. So guys, we are going to go to a site called Clicks, not Click, Clicks with an SGenie.com. Get paid to read emails, make up to 42.042 cents per email that you read. So it's super simple, it's super easy. It's got a really friendly interface. It's really easy to try and figure things out on here. There's going to be multiple earning methods. You can earn money from reading emails at your own pace, or earn even more by inviting your friends. Now they have referral links that once you register, they will give you a referral link. And later on in this video, I will show you where you find your own referral link. All you really need to do is just post it on your social media. Tell your friends and family to sign up. And when they do, use your referral link to start generating some more money coming in. Also, there are going to be multiple levels of commission. You can earn more for every active referral that you get. 5 levels deep and up to 320%. You can click here and read more. It's super secure. They use a 2-factor authentication. They're super transparent about your earnings. You can track them and referred inside to your account area, and it's super fast. What I really like about them is they pay within 1 second. They pay instantly. Your payments are instant every time. All payments on Clicks Genie are instant. You request your payout and you're paid within minutes. You need to have at least a 0.01, so 1 cent payout, and your first minimum payment is just 1 cent, and it's instant. Now there's multiple payment options. There's Bitcoin, there's Perfectly Money. So there's a few different payment options. Super secure, it's 100% safe. They encrypt your data. And here are some of the stats here. As you can see, there are 49,329 total members. There's 882 online right now, and $6,189 total payment. There's payment proofs of all the people who are actually getting paid. As you can see, we're talking about Italy, Pakistan, Ukraine, So like I said, guys, this is going to be a worldwide method of making money online. All you need to do is register. The registration really is 30 seconds. Real-time stats of your earnings. It's available to everyone from any country in the world. There's not a country that you cannot use this in. They work for everyone everywhere. Another wonderful thing about this is they have a 24-hour customer support team, and they're really friendly, super nice, and extremely helpful. So that's pretty much it that I wanted to show you right up here. So once you come to the site, you're going to want to go and hit register. Let me just get to the top here. You're going to want to hit this pretty green button that turns purple, and it's registered. Now you're going to have to create yourself a really nifty username. I tend to keep things the same as my email, so I know what's connected to what, and I keep it across the board. So I made mine like digital mentor or something. Then you do an email. You're going to use the email that you either made at your Gmail account or wherever you made it. If you made it at Yahoo, Outlook, whatever it is, make sure you can get into it. Confirm it, your email. Then you're going to do a password. Pick something that you're going to remember. Write it down in a place that you're going to remember. And if you did use this through a referrer, I think I might put my referral link right in the description below. So if you can't find it, you can always click my link and go through the steps using my referral link. I'm in the US, so that's the detected country that I have. Then you just hit this, and this, and you hit register. Once you have registered, it is extremely important that you follow these steps as I am explaining them. Once you are registered, you're going to log into your email that you put into the register page. You're going to click on it. As you can see, it says, Dear Digital Mentor 1011, please click this following link to finish your registration. You're going to want to go and click this link. Once you click this link, it's going to take you to another page, and you're going to be completely registered. Once it takes you to your new page, you're going to go right here. As you can see, this is the main, this is the purchase. These are the commissions that you have. Now, they tell you your referrals, your money, your people, your statistics, and how much money you're making. And this is the referral count. Once you have some money in your account, you go right over to here and you hit withdraw, and you're able to withdraw the money that you have made using this. Now, really appreciate you staying to the end. I know it's a little bit of a lengthy video, but I'm going to show you this one part that doesn't make sense to a lot of people. It's the reason why they're not able to generate any money using Clicks Genie, and it's kind of confusing. And we're going to go to our email for that. But I just want to draw your attention right here. This is the referral link. What you're going to do is you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it on your social media. You're going to send it to your friends and family and just ask them to sign up through you guys and try working the site a little bit, because you are going to be able to get a commission for the money that they're making and also the referrals that they're doing. So make sure to send this out to each and every person that you care about that you think might try this method of making money online out, and you're going to be able to make money another way that way. So getting back to the email, once you've done your referral code, and you're probably sitting here wondering why you're not getting any emails into your email, you need to log back into your email, and you will find the second email from Clicks Genie. So we'll click on it right here. Now that you have successfully registered and are ready to earn, there's one more step you need to do to ensure you receive emails and get paid. Read this to ensure that your ads, to get our ads and to get paid. What they want you to do is they want you to click this 3 little dots, and they want to add Click Genie to contacts list. So we go over here and we start looking, and just like most people, you're going to say, I don't understand how to add them to a contacts list, because just like they said here, that doesn't make any sense because there's none. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go up to these, 9 little dots up here, and you're going to want to click on contacts. Now, once you go to contacts, you're going to want to create a contact. You're going to put in Clicks as the first name, and then like Genie is the last. Sorry, I I just knocked my thing over. Jeannie is the last. And then you're going to want to go back over here and you're going to want to get their email, copy and paste it, and then throw it into the email here. You don't really need a phone number. And then when you're done with all of that, you just hit the save button. And with that information, that is how you are going to actually be getting emails and start being able to open them, read them, and make money. Without doing this very important last step, you will not receive any emails. You will not be able to make any money online. And the important email that they do send you is very confusing if you don't do exactly what I have shown you. So what you do is you go over here, you click yourself contacts. Once you get to contacts, you want to create a contact and you want to do clicks and then Jeannie, and then copy and paste and put the email right there to be able to get it. Now, guys, there are people making money all over the world using this method of making money online. You are not going to be able to make a full-time income, but you'll be able to get your first wins online. You're going to be able to generate a little bit of extra money and get the confidence that you need to be able to be a full-time online entrepreneur. Now, guys, if you like this video, if you found any value at all from it, please make sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so I can send you notifications when I do make videos. And also, if you're looking to know exactly how you can be able to stay home and make a full-time income, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.